Yo, what's good everyone? We're back with another video here today. Today's video, I'm just going to finish up what I left off from last time, which is showing you how to build your projects using ChatGPT, right? And basically speed up your process on how you can complete this work, pretty much in no time, man. So there's just a couple few tweaks I would like to it's just something like very, very little I would like to add to some of these here as well. And then we're just going to I'll just like finish it off right now because I do have a deadline for some of these assignments. So what I'll try to do is just kind of like um try my best to finish at least one of these assignments here today. And then if I maybe have much more time, I can maybe go into the maybe go into the gift shop website because I haven't really touched that in a while now because of work and stuff, well, school work. So um I guess we shall see how time permits us, because usually I take myself at least 1 hour to see whatever I can do and go back to what I have to do from there. So make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and I said if you'll learn anything, make sure you'll comment it down below, and support the journey, man. Like I've been grinding for, as you all can see, almost every day so far now. So I'm looking just keep that momentum going. So I guess I can start with, just because as if I really kind of need to get this website. Oh, sorry, what? So I need to get this assignment here done quickly. So so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna start with the employability module. We're just gonna tweak some stuff from there, and then we'll move on to the other module, and then if we have other time, you see, maybe dive into the me time gift shop website as well. So let's get into it, guys. Check this. Where's my, okay, there it is. All right, bang, nice. So let me make sure you all can see it. Man, I really wish I could see. I don't want to zoom up because if I zoom up, it's gonna look terrible. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you see what I mean? It's gonna look terrible, man. I mean, you all could still see it better there too. I mean, it's all right. I'll keep it like this. So what we're going to do is, it said that, but it didn't do it properly, but it is what it is. All right, so let's follow the layout. Um, so let's do the career. Well, I'll come back to the career planning though. Yeah, I'll come back to the career plan because there are two things that I have to do for just one module. So we'll start with the career planning first, and then we'll get back to. So I said, let's see how time works and everything like that. I will see what we can basically get into. So pretty much like the first thing what we're gonna do, especially when you're like using it like this. So um because I have to kind of like switch between screens. Yeah, you all can see that. Cool, cool. And let me move this here for now. What, I'll just copy it. So you have to copy, or you say that, oh well, first what I like to do first to begin, to be very honest, let me just modify the settings here. Because you have to use Calibri, then you have to use 12, and then that's for the normal. Let's type it right there. Bang, right, like that looks good. Then for the heading one, you modify this one here as well. You go bold, underline, then you put it to this, and you switch to black, you press OK, right? So the first thing what you're gonna have to do is type, oh wait, shoot, I forgot to change the, I forgot you had to keep it all at text size 12. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is just type is curriculum VT, and I guess I put well, I put my name, but I mean I wouldn't put my full name here because as an engineer, you know what I mean. I'm trying to dox myself like this, you know what I mean? So check my phone real quick. Okay. Um, so let's move on to this one. So we're gonna start with the personal details. So let's go to this will be another heading. Let's go to one, which will be personal personal details. Let's start with that one. And what is one thing you all can do, right? So let me just copy this. And instead of like kind of like looking at ChatGPT each time, what you can do as well, just like copy it and then underneath this you type it out. So especially if you have like if you're working with like one screen, but for me I have multiple screens, so I could be flexible. I mean I plan to get on next one, bro, because two screens, well I have three screens and this is not enough, man. This is not enough. But yeah, basically for the purposes of this video, well, I shouldn't even say for the purpose of this video because I usually do this. I usually just copy in ChatGPT and just like have it. Even though it is on my other screen, I kind of like I don't really like to. It's not really. I don't find it good to really keep looking back on different screens. I like to keep my eyes focused on one screen. So I don't know if that is me probably being like autistic, I guess. But yeah. Let's go to personal details and let's rename everything. So we're just gonna put this and let's put this, and then we're gonna put address. Well, obviously I'm not gonna, I mean I'll just put this here for now. Um, let's go with email. I'll go with um example at gmail.com. Right, then let's go to the phone number. And well, I'll just make up a phone number for now as well because instead of trying to dox myself. But some of these things, some of the information is kind of public in a way, like these three codes, this is like the area code. So I mean this is that is pretty much basically normal. Um let's go with like a number like 456 and then like 1893. Yeah, that sounds like a good number, right? So because I said I would have to do this. So many things I'll have to do it when I'm basically doing this off stream. So I'm just kind of like showing this now for the purposes of the video. So some of these things I will have to fix offline. Then let's go to the personal. What the hell? Then let's go to the personal now. The oh shoots, my bad. Okay, let's go to the two, which is personal. Sorry, yes, personal profile is correct. Personal profile, and there's an image that I had to follow along. So I have to let me get it back now. Copy this, right? So what we're gonna do is that some of these things here I can't keep it as it is because they're there's certain ways how you have to keep it. So some of these words here I'm gonna have to switch it around because so that I don't get plagiarized. So I'm gonna have to think about how I'm going to do this, right? So let me pull back up. Let me pull back up this real quick. So I can right. So I see it here. So it's supposed to start off as is something. So it's be like I um and it says I am a adaptable adaptable well, I should say that I am a so I don't get thing. I am a creative and adapt adaptable. Oh wait, no, I should zoom up. Sorry, my bad. Just remember this. Yeah, you all can see that better. My bad. Sorry about that. Yeah, keep forgetting that I'm not. Yeah, my bad. This should be clearer and easier to read. So let me make sure everything here. So that's good. So I'll be like I am a creative and adaptable um individual individual, and then I'll be like I have quality. I have innovative skills and strong and be like and I have individual innovative skills and wait, was innovative skills part of this? Hold on. Is this in oh yeah, innovative was okay, nice. So I'll be like I'm creating another I have innovative skills and probably and oh wait, I have shoots. Gosh damn it, man. So I am a creative and adaptable individual. I have innovative skills and I guess problem solving skills, yeah. Problem solving skills. Right, and then I'm going to be like so known for I'll be like I am known for my I'm known for my capability capability to think. I'd be like capability. Wait, I'd be like oh wait, I spelled what's wrong with this? Problem solving, okay. I'd be like I am known for my capability to work well work well with others and think logically and then I am seeking and I'm seeking a gosh damn it. Bro, it's damn it man. I may get flagged for this one though. Gosh damn it man. Entry level junior web developer position. Yeah, I may get flagged for this one though. I am looking for the right opportunity to to I'm looking for the right opportunity to what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, I say you have to be so logical with this as well. Even though even though you have the words, you still have to be very careful because of plagiarism. So yeah, that's only like downfall about this. I'll be like, I'm looking for the right opportunity to, what am I looking for? How can I put this together? I'm looking for the right opportunity to, again, to develop, spell that wrong. I'm going to develop my experience. I spell that wrong. Develop my, but all this is, well, now I'm gonna, I'm looking to develop my skills. I'm looking to develop my experience in building in modern and user-friendly web applications. I say that, let me switch this. I'm looking to build, let me switch these to user-friendly and modern web applications. Right. All right, so we have 1 and 2 down so far, right, which is good. They're a bit shorter than the first one, but that's okay. Right, so we finished with number 2. Now let's move on to number 3. Why is this thing not, yo, what the hell? Bro, delete. All right. So that's 1 and that's 2. Now let's move on to number 3. And that is working experience, which is, I'll be like work experience. And this one here is where I may have to change it up as well. I'll be like, okay, so it gave me a couple of jobs here. So let me just copy them. But it just give me, okay, I guess it gave me 2 then. Okay, now it gave me 2. Okay, never mind. I kind of look back like, nigga, I was like, what? Yeah, it kind of did it in a very weird way though. But yeah, this is what they produced, right? So what I'm going to do with this one, so you'll see. So what I'm going to do with this, um, it made it so weird, man. Why, it's saying that like I worked at like, yeah, okay, I get it. Okay, it did the working experience wrong because it had the name, but it looks like I was working here for working at the same job for at 2 different. It looks like I'm working at one job with 2 different positions. Basically, that's how they did it. So what I'm gonna have to do is just change out some rhetoric with this. But that's okay. I could do that. I'll just make up a name. Island Digital Digital Solutions. And I'll be like intern web developer. And wait, hold on. Isn't there actually something called like intern web developer? What the hell is that though? Hold on. Make sure I'm not writing crap. Oh wait, oh, it's a intern. I get it. A student or recent graduate who gains practical experience by working on real-world web development projects under the guidance of experienced. Ah, yeah, I can. Okay, no, 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 I cannot. I cannot got at the end there. Right. So make sure everything is good. So we'll put that into web developer. Then let's go to let's put like July 2023 to June 2024, right? And then now we have to put in all these now. Hold on. So all these bullet points are what we have to add now. Let me fix it up there. So develop and maintain response. Oh shoots. Ah, I know. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I know I forgot that yeah, so was add stats to some of these here as well, but it added it, so never mind. Yeah. I mean, I will see if the lecturer may tell me to add more stats, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. And I think if I check back the guidance as well, hold on. Because I don't think yeah, I mean yeah, this looks uh yeah. No, no, no. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, I'll see. I'll see. I'm just kind of like double check and make sure everything is okay. But nah, I'll leave it as this. It's okay. So I guessing I can take. You didn't really specify how much like rows to put though. You put a lot. I'll probably just use three out of these. I wouldn't take all of these. So let me go back to it though. Yeah, I wouldn't take all of these. I'll probably just use say there are five, I think. I'll take like three out of these. I wouldn't really like unless you really want one to go further. But I'll just take three. So I would take um probably just remove this one. Gosh damn it, it really removed it, man. Collaborated, accessible backend, updated and debug existing. You know what? You know what I would do? Before I send this out, I'll just write up all this and I'll kind of make some more final tweaks it again. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. I yeah, I know what I'll do. I'll probably remove this one here as well too. All right, so let's do this now. So assisted with backend support using Node to manage your users login system. That'll be like I'll be like helped with development using Node.js to manage what's the other word for manage? I guess you have to administrate users I'll be like so helps with backend development using Node.js to add we should use as logging systems. All right, let's remove that one. Then let's move on to the next one. Wait, can I add some space into this, bro? Okay, I can't. Okay, so the next one we will move on to is collaborate with designers to improve website layout, increasing client size. Okay, so it'll be like what's the other word for collaborate? Joined, I guess. Um, okay, let me type it out. Collaborate. Yeah, I didn't get it. So team, I'll be like teamed up with developers to improve websites layouts. I see that website structure. Yeah, this makes more sense. Website structure. Thus increasing customer satisfaction by 20%. Right. Then let's move on to so developed and maintained the responsive website for 3 small business clients using okay, so be like developed. So I'll be like created and or it could be like maintained and created responsive web applications for 5 clients, for 5 medium size businesses using JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Right. So all 3 of that is good, right? So now the next job is as me take off this. It's a heading. Well, no, sorry, not heading. Dude, speaking of what heading. All right, nice. That's 1, 2, 3. Then let's move on to freelancer web developer. Then put from July, because I could honestly start this September 2024 to okay, wait, and then present. Right. Right, so we have that. I just have to figure out a name though. I'm sorry, a company. Oh well, I shouldn't really still be um I'll be like senior. Well, I guess you can't really jump from there to there though. I guess I could say junior, junior web developer. Yeah. And then as if even though it's fake, you still have to kind of be a bit realistic with what you're writing as well. So I need to figure out a company though. I guess I could just say Microsoft, I guess. Yeah. So junior web developer September. Oh no, so I could probably use say Google here too as well, to be honest. Um but anyhow, so what are so far I like that 30% integrated, build strong through clear communication and individual engagement for Figma for using Figma. Okay, I like this. Let me remove this one. Integrated contract forms and basic e-commerce feature for small business, improved website loading, design. Yeah, I'll remove this one too. And let's stick with these three here then. All right, let's go. Right, so we'll be like creating visual, engaging UI designs using. So I'll be like um developed visual visual engaging user experience designs using Figma before before project launch, I guess. Right, so now that is done, then let's move on to the other one. To improve website loading speed by an average of 30% through optimized images and codes. So how can I break this down to not be plagiarized? Improve website loading speed by an average of 30% through optimized images and coding. Be like um the gosh damn it, bro, they use so much good words, man. Damn it, man. Hold on. Improved. Okay, enhance. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. Enhance. Enhanced. Enhance. Wait, hold on. It enhance. Yeah, right. Enhance where enhance websites website speed. I need another word for loading. Another word for loading. Uh loading speed by 30% through optimized code and images. Right, so note that down. Right, so let's remove this now. And then let's go to design and develop for personal portfolio website for clients for focusing on mobile phones development. So what I'll be like, I can be like designed for personal portfolio web applications for customers focusing on, well, it's designed for personal portfolio web applications for customers with focus on mobile first designs. What's the other word for focusing? Oh wait, I can be like for customers concentrating on mobile first designs. For focusing on mobile first application. Right. Spell this wrong. A small thing. Right. So now that that's done, so you finish with 1, we finish with 2, and we finish with 3. So we're making good progress. Now moving on to number 4, which is the voluntary and internship. So, oh wait, sorry, let me remove this. Make sure everything is clean. Yeah, everything that looks good, looks good. All right. Take off this and then put the header and then put voluntary and internships. All right, so this will be number 4.0. Right. So let me copy what they gave me and let's put this here, right? And what I'm going to do, oh shoot, hold on, sorry about this. Copy this over. Gosh damn it, copy properly, man. Bruh. Alright, let's copy this from there. Alright, so let's start with the bottom part. Put this here. This is a design a simple informational website for the community center, showing activities and resources. So I'd be like, I could be like creating, a basic informational website for a community center displaying resources and activities. Right. Now that that is done, let's move on to the next one, which is helped mentor high school students in basic HTML to improving community engagement. So helped mentor, I'll be like assisted in mentoring high school students. I'll be like assisted in mentoring high school students who, no, let me be like assisted in mentoring high school students about HTML, about CSS and HTML, thus increasing community engagement by 15%. All right. Then the final one So assisted with community tech hub projects by setting up a local youth coding workshop. This is assisted with the community tech hub project. Okay. This is with the community tech hub project by setting up local youth coding workshops. This is I don't get what they mean by that though. I read it in my head over and over. I'm like, what do y'all mean by this? And you know that just meme like, what do you mean by that? You know what I mean? Like oh wait, that is my me of the songboard, bro. I was supposed to add a songboard. Damn it. I'll do this after the stream. I forgot to add a songboard. I'll do that afterwards. Just with community tech hub projects, I'll be like helped with community web application project by 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 setting. What's the other word for setting? Nah, that's not it. By okay, if I put setting up, what do I get from setting up? I get introduction in planning. Okay, you know, by planning, when not up planning up a nah that makes sense. Planning a local. It'll be like help with community web application project by planning local youth camps. Yeah, that songs we could rock with that. Let's see. Probably should just move this down a bit though. Makes it look a bit neater. Or I probably should just added more stuff to it as well, but as what it is. Right, so now finishing number 4. Now let's move on to level. Wow, sorry. Let's move on to education now. Education and qualifications. Let's move on to 5.0, which is, and how much more we have again? I don't really have that much again. Let's move on to education and qualifications. Right, so let's move on to that. Let me just highlight this page on the heading. Right, and then let's copy this, put this underneath here, and then let's add back the bullet points, move this here, and then we start with the we try to start with the first one, the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology Specification Web Development, University of West Indies, Civil Responsible Design. So I can be like bachelor's bachelor bachelor's a bachelor of computer science, I guess, computer, or a bachelor's of information technology, right? And then you put the University of West Indies, then you put shoot, it's thing into it's um and be like 2020, be like 2020 to 2023. Yeah, I think that should be good. Then let's move on to the next one. Ah, shoot, you know what? 29, 20, 20. It's in 3 years, right? If I go to, let's say for you kind of have to be a bit consistent with it, right? So where was it? So so I also had to stop at 2023. So what I can do is push this back. Guess 2019. I guess I can maybe go 2019 to 2023, and then I can go to certificates, certificates in responsive web and web design. You know, there's a time as well, if I remember correctly, that we had to actually create our own, like, what do they call it again? We had to create like our own certificate as well. I remember there's a time that I had to do this. I'm not sure if we may have to do it for this semester again, but I do remember that there was a time for that. And then let's go to free free code camp. Or it's supposed to be 2019, but sorry, 2019 to 2022, and this will just be in 2023. I guess I can maybe be, I can say Jan 2023 to well, Jan 2023 to July 2023, and then let me add a next one again, and then let's go to JavaScript developer certification, and let's put Corsa. Well, sorry, let's put Corsa, and then let's go. Let's use Jan 2024 to May 2024. All right. Now let's remove all this now, and well, I see that it looks clean and neat. Right. So now time is kind of coming a bit short here, but that's okay. We'll be able to finish up everything here in no time. Let me just skip one part though. So this part is very easy. 9 references. I simply put available on request. It is something very easy to like do. Okay, let me just make sure everything is inconsistent though. Shoots for 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 5.0. Did I skip an extra? Oh yeah, I did. Then 9. Let's go 9.0 references available on requests. Right. That's something really easy to do. I just have to get out get that one all the way. Um, I could kind of knock off some of these though. Let's have an 8 as well. Let's go to 8. Oh, wait, hold on. 8.0, and let's go to interests activities, and shoot, hold on. We rename this. Let's go to activities, membership, and interests. Right. Then let's open up this now. Then let's go copy. Let's copy all 3 of these here. Then remove this. Let me go back to this and copy this. Then add the button. And then, right. So it says that this is members of the, put this down a bit. Right, cool. So say members of the Caribbean Developers Association passionate about, oh wait, member, sorry, my bad. Passionate about football, that is true. Eh, which has taught me teamwork and discipline, then enjoy exploring new technologies and contributing to coding forums. Okay. So I'll be like, what's the other word for enjoy? I enjoy discovering new applications and contributes to coding forums, right? Then let's go with be like desire for football, which has improved my discipline and teamwork skills, right? Let me remove these 2. Then let's go member, and then member of the Caribbean Association, the group. I don't get copyrights. Well, plagiarize, sorry. So that's 1, that's 2. And let's go to number 7, which is additional information. 7.0, sorry, hold on. Forgot to put this first. 7.0, additional information. And then let's put this here. And then valid Trinidad and Tobago driver eligible to work across the Caribbean. So it'll be like legally able to work across actually abroad, I guess. Use that term. And then valid Tobago driver's license. Right. Move these two here. So that. I mean, it's coming along for sure, as you all can see. So that, and then the last one. Let's go to number 6.0. It should be skills, and this will be the last one here, and I'll call it a day here. So portfolio. I didn't really expect this to take this long though, but hey, is what it is. Control C this, Control V that, and then let's go with this. Right, just make sure everything is checked, everything is cool, nice. Everybody's chilling. Right. So the technical skills, business skills, self-reliance, and people skills. So this basically lecture did give us all this, so it's just to like kind of put it basically into our own words, pretty much. Oh wait, sorry. Ooh, forgot to remove this one. My bad. Let me make sure I did not make that mistake anywhere else. Oof. All right, now we're chilling. All right, so people skills. So let me put it technical skills. What are there? Business skills, self reliance, and then people skills. Let me maybe push this down here. Right. All right. So clear communication was strong into personal skills and the ability to collaborate with diverse teams. So be like clear communicator with strong interpersonal skills and ability to. So I guess I could be that clear communicator and the ability to work with others. Remove this one. So strong time management, independent learning ability, and I'll be like so problem. I'll be like problem solver, independent learner, independent learning ability, and strong time management and strong with time and strong. Yeah, let me go with that one. Then there's effective team collaborator, project planning, and client communication experience in meeting project deadlines and under pressure. So I guess I could go with project planning. So I guess I could go with I'd be like I guess a project planner and and meeting customer deadlines under pressure. Alright, so what's our other? And you can find another word. What's another word for pressure? Under, I guess under fallbacks. You can see that. And then technical skills. Supervision HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node, familiar with cloud development using. So I'd be like familiar with cloud applications if now let me use knowledgeable on cloud deployment using Firebase and AWS. And then let's do it for where's proficient. I'll be like, and then I'll go be like what's other words? I'll be like, as I guess capable in React, HTML, JavaScript, Node.js, and CSS. Fun. All right, nice. Yeah, I think that's. Let me just check back everything. Yeah, I have everything. Should be okay. So yeah, that's the day for this. Now I think what I have to do tomorrow, because I'll save it for tomorrow. What I'll do tomorrow as well is that I will go through the career planning. So tomorrow's I assume we'll go through that, and hopefully we could maybe even like try to do the other module as well. So we'll see. So yeah, I hope this was an informative video for you all. I hope that you all understand the process and stuff when it comes to this, and you'll see why I can like break down everything on how to the information to give it, like how to put it basically back into your own words so that you don't get like plagiarized, because you have to be very careful of that. So you can see that even though I got some information, what I did, I copied it from ChatGPT and kind of like wrote it down into my own words so that they can't tell me that I copied anything or whatever. So yeah, hope this is a good video for you all. Make sure you like the video, share, subscribe on the way out, and yeah, I'll catch you back in another video. Peace out, guys.